how to contact Uber customer service. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Uber app on your mobile device and tap on your account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the help icon, which will open the help center. From here, you can select the specific topic you need assistance with, such as account, payment support, or how to clear a pending amount. If you are unable to resolve your issue through the available topics, locate and click on the Contact Support button. Then choose the type of problem you are experiencing. Provide a detailed description of the issue and optionally attach a screenshot of any error or payment issue. Finally, submit your support ticket for assistance. So that's basically how you can contact Uber customer service. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.